Opening with the king's pawn controls the center and opens up the light-squared bishop and queen, often leading to sharp games. The modern defense plays g6 to fianchetto, the dark-squared bishop on g7, where it will attack the center from the long diagonal. White develops the knight and attacks the center. This prepares your bishop for development. This misses a better way to prepare a bishop for development. This allows the opponent to develop a piece while also winning a tempo on a rook. You are bringing your knight into play, eyeing the central squares. This defends a vulnerable pawn by pinning one of its attackers. That fianchettoed bishop is putting pressure on the diagonal. White develops the bishop and attacks the center. Castling kingside tends to be safer because your king is further from the center. This move puts the pawn on a safer square. That was an even swap of material. This overlooks a better way to recapture a piece. You are threatening to tactically win a bishop. This stops the opponent from being able to tactically win a bishop. You are threatening to kick a knight. This allows the opponent to kick a knight. With that move, you chase the knight away. This overlooks an opportunity to offer an equal trade of pieces. This permits the opponent to kick a knight. You're kicking their knight out of a useful square. This permits the opponent to win a rook by trapping a piece. This misses an opportunity to eventually win material. Good eye noticing that piece is trapped. Right on target. You want a rook for free. This checks the king with two pieces at once. You dodge the check, moving your king out of harm's way. This moves the knight to safety. You offered your opponent an opportunity to exchange pieces of equal value. This maintains the balance in material with a good trade. Recapturing. This is a fair move. That was a fair trade. Recaptures. Your pin helps to build pressure on your opponent's rook. A solid choice. You captured a vulnerable rook. Recaptures. Very good choice. This evades the check from the queen. Well done, an excellent move. Developing the knight and increasing influence in the center. You are threatening to force eventual checkmate. This permits the opponent to force eventual checkmate. Your opponent has no escape. You can force a checkmate with the correct moves. This move wins a bishop. That was a free rook. Getting closer to the forced checkmate. This removes a queen that put the king in check. This is the start of the endgame, and white is losing. Well done executing a textbook back rank mate.